Here we go. Philip? Is that you?
You failed.
Phil, your notes are so vague. I tried powering you with Chaos Emeralds, but they didn't work.
1, to sustain. 2, to expand. And 3, to conquer.
I don't know where they are, Philip. I don't know who has the Triforce pieces.
Miles Spector bears the Triforce of courage.
Miles Spector is dead.
Though Miles has passed on, a shadow of him remains.
Program failure. Operation terminated.
Ah! Goddamn comm device gives me a frickin' migraine every time you turn it on, Where the hell's Phil Yates?
I'm Amethyst, his fiancée. Philip is dead.
Damn, that sucks. I was gonna call him up. I ran into one of his buddies not too long ago.
Who?
Miles Spector. He attacked me as Sonic the Hedgehog. So I killed him.
So you're the reason he's dead.
Glad my work hasn't gone unnoticed.
I needed Miles' Triforce of Courage to run a program Yates designed before he died.
Well, that's just way too damn convenient.
You took it. You have Miles' Triforce. I need it.
Hold on one sec, sister. I don't just work for any nobody who calls me up on this little walkie-talkie. Me and Yates had a deal.
What kind of deal?
I'm the personification of Miles' inner demons, but I don't exist outside the video game world.
And
I know all about Yates' little plan. He's gonna bring Halo to Earth so he can control everything. I'm guessing you're in command of that now.
it seems that way.
Well, then I need your word that when Halo comes to Earth, Shadow the Hedgehog will be coming with it.
Sorry I wasn't able to help you, Miles.
He never even made it to Miles' funeral.
Well, you know Ash. He's always late.
Oh, Julie! I'm so glad you're here. Listen, I kind of need a woman's opinion on something.
Okay.
My arm, right here, well, specifically my muscle, is it too big? How do you like it? Is it good? Can you touch it for me? Right. How does it feel?
Like a muscle.
Yeah, there we go. That's what I'm going for.
Alright.
Doing a lot of strength training, you know. So, oh! That's for you! Nate, let me ask you a question. Do you like where we live?
Yeah,
You like this place?
it's a nice location, yeah.
Okay, well, I don't really know that because you almost burned it down.
How? Was it the Hot Pocket?
Oh my god, it was the hot. When you make Hot Pockets, Nate, you can't set anything on fire. It's not part of the directions on the box.
I didn't mean to. I'm sorry.
Hey, Mrs. Rouge, what's up?
Look at me. Look at me. It's not on the back of the box. It's not a direction on
I
the
know.
box.
I didn't mean to. It was.
What do you mean?
I had no intention of doing that. It was a casualty of war.
Yeah, but Nate,
I just wanted to make you a delicious snack.
I know, but you
I'll make you another. Okay.
Yeah, I'll be down as soon as I can.
gotta be better.
Okay. Bye, Mrs. Rouge.
Is everything okay?
I gotta go. I'll explain later.
Where the hell's Ash? He's supposed to be here like 20 minutes ago.
Freeze, get down! Hands behind your back. You're under arrest. Let's go.
Julie, I'm gonna have to call you back.
Chaos Emeralds. Hello? What do you mean they found him?